1. Get yourself a ground beef. I grinned my own because I had some meat already. And it's about 500 grams. I add a cup of water on the frying pan. So the meat doesn't stick, I will not be adding any oils. Then add whatever seasoning you like. I am adding salt and black pepper, that's it. Just cook them on the top of the oven until they are cooked through. Once it's cooked, separate or strain the meat juice. And save the meat water, you will use it later. 2. Take your favorite vegetable, or whatever inside your fridge. There is no rules for this. You could add as many different vegetable as you want. As you can see my vegetable, I added whatever I could find in my fridge. That is onion, garlic, celery, ginger, cabbage, carrot, green onion, and some chili pepper for the heat. Very important, no fresh tomato, it will add water to it. So use tomato pesto instead. Also tomato paste. It's 100% optional. Moving on, after adding the vegetables in the processor, I will use the ground beef water that I strained at the beginning to help the vegetable move easier in the processor. 3. Dry. Probably I know you've guessed. You will need a dehydrator. Here's mine, it has some chicken jerky that I made yesterday. Moving on, take your dehydrator, put cheesecloth on top, and put your meat and veggie paste on the dehydrator. Let it dry. It will at least take for 8 hours. I will put the setting in the last low setting because I don't want to cook it again. I just want to dry it with air. Airing eso just set it in. Forget it, after 8 hours if it's not dry that means probably you put a thick layer of paste, so it's okay, just give it another hour or so, and once in a while check on it. I just want to explain about the cheesecloth I'm using, because I have used it many times. The paprika and the tomato paste that is in the paste, it has colored it over time. It's 100% clean, just to let you know. By now you think this is too much work, but think about it. You will only do this once a month and you will know what is inside your beef broth powder. It's healthy and clean. You don't have to read any ingredient the back of your jar since you are the maker. Also, once you get used to making it, it gets easier with practice. It sounds too much, but in summary it's 4. Step 1. You cook the ground beef and strain the water. 2. Use a processor to chop the cooked meat with vegetable of your choice. 3. Dry it. 4. Grind it with coffee grinder. That's it. So be brave, make your own chicken broth powder. Your stir fry will taste amazing than your usual stir fry. Lastly, no sifting, because if it's completely dried, it will turn into fine powder, as you can see here. Now it's done. If you like the information I provided, please support me by subscribing. I appreciate you and I wish you happiness, health and wealth. Bye for now.